Hey there people, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Goof Off Heavy Duty Remover. Now, I've seen really heavy duty type removers before, and none of them actually work like Goof Off does. I don't know what's in this stuff, but it really gets down into the deep crevices and I don't know, corners and everything of a surface and gets out whatever is stained on there. I mean, it really attacks stains that you would not believe, like stuff that's like nothing else can get out. You'll take it out with this. I mean, it's really a strong remover that really is unsurpassed. Goof Off has been out there for a while now, and I first started using it probably right out of high school when I had an excessive amount of like goop and like oil and grit on my driveway, and I used the Goof Off on there and it worked really well. It really does. I mean, and it works the very first time you use it. Yeah. So what I do is I'll spray this onto the surface where whatever you're trying to get off, and I will let it dry for just a little while. Not dry, but let it sit for probably maybe 5 to 10 minutes. You don't have to, but you could just use it right away. But I just do that to make sure it's getting in there, so, and I really saturate it a lot, like if I have like a spot on, say, the ground or a table or something, say it's like a permanent marker, I will spray this on there and spray it on there really deep, and then let it sit there just for a few minutes, and then wipe it away with a clean towel, and it'll be gone. It works that well. I don't know where they came up with the name Goof Off. Well, Goof Off, I can see the play on words there. Yeah, it really works. It really does. It leaves no oily residue behind. So, I mean, when you put it on there and clean it off, it's gone. Yeah, and the first time. And the makings of this is biodegradable, which is always great, right? The environment should be number one, and any products that actually are concerned about that and make their products, any companies that make their products, biodegradable, kudos to you. It's really good. I like that a lot. And it's safe for hard surfaces, this, and soft surfaces. So you can just about use this anywhere and you're going to be okay. Yeah. There's no like harsh fumes when you use it. A lot of times you'll get certain products that take stuff off that have this gasoline smell. This doesn't. There's no harsh fumes by using it. It's not that bad. Yeah. It's really a really good way to clean just about anything. It's mainly good for, like, you can use it for sticky labels that you're trying to get off, that's been stuck on your wall or ground or whatever, and you have a hard time getting them off. This will get that off. And especially markers, it's really good for permanent markers that have been there a while, and like you've tried alcohol and acetone and all that kind of stuff and it still won't come off. Try the Goof Off. It'll get off the permanent marker. Yeah. Crayons is great for crayons. You got crayon problems, children everywhere, messing up your your good walls or ground. It really gets crayons out really good. It really works with candle wax very well. I had a real issue with that recently. I used this and I didn't have a problem. This stuff's amazing. It really does get rid of just about everything that annoys you, even nail polish, So yeah, just use some of this and you will see that it really works very well. I've used it for a while and I'll continue to use it. It's really good. Okay, we've been talking about the Goof Off Heavy Duty Remover. All right, guys, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.